Welcome to the Desheio product demo, your front row seat to discovering the incredible features of our platform. Let's embark on a journey to explore how Desheio can empower your business to new heights. With Desheio, your business gains access to an expansive and diverse customer base, far beyond what individual websites or social media can offer. Our platform amplifies your visibility and brand recognition. Your products will shine on our website, instantly boosting your credibility. Desheio channels a steady stream of organic traffic directly to your products, eliminating the need for heavy marketing efforts. Trust and security are paramount at Desheio. We provide secure payment processing, transparent customer reviews, and reliable return policies, ensuring your customers shop with peace of mind. As your business flourishes, Desheio makes scaling effortless. Add more products or expand into new categories without the complexities of building a new website. Desheio's buyer and seller protection policies build trust with customers, resulting in higher conversion rates and fewer disputes, ensuring a seamless shopping experience. Rest assured, we've got your back. Desheio offers top-notch technical support, a valuable resource for businesses without extensive IT or customer support teams. Join us today and propel your business to new heights. Desheio.